Welcome back to a new video. Today I'm right here in Switzerland in Bern at Porsche Center. I will leave the link in the description to check out the price and the cars. They have great service and amazing cars with great price right here, so check them out. And today I have with me the new Porsche 911 992 Turbo S, and in this video it's kind of a test drive POV. I hope you get some information from there. It's not so much talking in this video, but it's all about feeling and sound, and I hope you will enjoy it. It's a short one, so guys, yeah, I hope you enjoy it. perfect here, oder?
Ja. Nicht so eine gute Straße, ne? Sehr holprig.
Ja. Ja, habe ich gespürt ein bisschen. So stable.
Ja. Amazing.
Amazing. Ja.
Gehst du da geradeaus?
Dort.
Ja.
The noise insulation, it's incredible. You cannot hear so much noise from outside. The grip on the street, it's also perfect.
Yes.
I think this is the best sport car
Best sport
on the
car, yes.
on the market today.
And for every day.
For everyday uses,
Yeah.
yes, right, because this is
On the
like
rain, on the snow, on the sunny.
incredible. It's I think guys, if you have the money for and you want a sporty car, you should go for this new 911 Turbo S. It's totally deserve the money. The quality, the design, the performance is just incredible. And I think now is the time to buy it, because in a few years we'll have only electric cars, and then we will miss this sound maybe. And also Porsche keep the value of the cars, and in 20-30 years you can get
Maybe,
amazing money, maybe more than what you pay now.
I hope we have not really only electric cars in the future. I hope.
Yeah, Porsche has this
For me,
new
it's not
the
the problem of the benzene.
Yeah.
It's not really the greatest problem of the world.
yeah, I think
When
so.
you have the flies, you have the boats.
Yeah, right. The cars are not a problem when there are so many other manufacturer or that can pollute more air. And anyway, Porsche come with some great options for electric cars. We have this new Taycan that it's amazing.
Synthetic fuels.
Yeah, right. I hear about
Chile
that.
And the production.
They work on this new synthetic fuel that I think it's one of the the option in the future. And Porsche work with it, so all the Porsche owners in the future, they can use this and they can keep the value of the car and the car for many years. Yeah, let's park the car, and I want to show you also the reverse camera. That Porsche come with 3 cameras, and also you have a great visibility when you park the car. It has cameras also in the mirrors. You can see how it map up the ground there. It's insane.
You can make panorama.
You can make panorama, yeah, right. When you
on the front side, you see normally here.
Yeah, and also
panorama.
you can see a little bit more.
Yeah.
Yeah, great. And also on the side, if you want to park and you don't know what it's on the side. Incredible experience. I love the car. I think it's the best on the market, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Check out the Porsche Center in Bern. I'll leave the link in the description. Also, you have all the infos you need there. Thank you for watching. See you soon in the next one. Don't forget to see the review on this new Porsche 911 Turbo S. Bye, guys.